Here we are at 47 Bird Grove in Stokes Valley, and what a grove it is. I know because I've sold 6 houses here, and they've gone to young professional couples and families. Stokes Valley has everything any thriving community would need, with a new world, a community hub and library, and also a swimming pool. And there's a very cool little cafe and many other takeaways so that you can get your fix. So that's the area. Let's have a look at the house. Renovated 2 years ago, this house was painted top to bottom, including the roof. It has 4 bedrooms, 3 double and 1 single, which comes with a lounge. So that can be used as a home office with a lot of people working from home. That's really handy. It also has a really great backyard where the current owners have spent the entire summer just cutting back all the bush. And you've got these 3 terraced areas, really great for barbecues and just checking out the sunset on a summer's night. And here we are in the cozy lounge, and in the winter months you've got the fireplace here to keep you nice and toasty warm, and then just out these doors you've got a great deck, and underneath there is the off-street car park, so it's a carport because it's kind of covered by the deck.